Top destination with culture, scenic views, and lots of amazing food, all found in this tiny little town located in the middle of the mountains, which serves as the gateway into Machu Picchu. And the more you explore, the more likely you'll find its secret adventures.
We gotta climb all the way up there.
So after a fun train ride, we finally arrived to Aguas Calientes, otherwise known as Machu Picchu Pueblo.
We have made it to Aguas Calientes, everybody. We are one step closer to Machu Picchu.
If you haven't seen part 1 of this video, make sure to go back and check out the Peru Rail video, which shows the whole experience on how to make it to Aguas Calientes in the first place. Right away, you'll see this town is hustling with many workers and businesses, but even with how busy it appears, once you start walking through the town, you'll notice feeling that you're in such a calm and peaceful environment.
This place, man. This place is crazy. So we are on our way to our hotel. Gonna drop off our stuff, get settled in, and then we'll walk around a little bit of Aguas Calientes. But man, first impressions, this place is terrific. It's just being in a little tiny town just in the middle of these freaking giant mountains is just ridiculous. All right, we found our spot.
It appeared that someone was still hyped and influenced by our train ride's entertainment.
That's what she was dancing to. Yadi. Her hips don't lie in Peru. So we are here at our hotel Panorama B&B. It's a beautiful boutique hotel away from the main area, the main restaurants and the train. It's a lot quieter here.
And that's something to definitely keep in mind when making reservations for lodging, because if you didn't notice, the train tends to run pretty close to where the main strip of hotels and businesses are located. So before booking, consider where exactly you'll be located in regards to the train. Overall, Aguas Calientes is not a rowdy town, but if you're looking for a quieter stay, I would recommend looking for lodging towards the northeast or the northwest area where our hotel was located. The only noise we had to deal with was the relaxing sounds of the Urubamba River.
I'm right next to the river, which is amazing.
The same river that flowed by our side on the train ride here is now the same river that flows through Aguas Calientes, and it's honestly the highlight of the town.
This place is perfect. Very affordable. The rooms are nice. The perfect choice, and I'm glad we made it here.
So after settling in, we headed out to explore. Right away, you notice lots of signs for photo ops that clearly advertise its main reasons for being here, which is Machu Picchu. The population of residents here is only 1,600 people, but Aguas Calientes averages about 10,000 tourists a week. Even though Machu Picchu is the main event, the town itself is a great way to embrace the local Peruvian community. You can tell they have such pride in their rich and ancient Inca history. Everyone we encountered in the town and the people working were extremely kind and welcoming. It's also a good way to support local shops by getting handmade souvenirs, as well as visiting their local food market. And speaking about food, there are so many options when it comes to food here, but if you're like me, I like to research beforehand to have an authentic dining experience, and we were on the search for a very specific local restaurant.
Ok, mira, vamos a tener que caminar hacia allá arribota. You guys ready for that? We gotta climb all the way up there. So many stairs.
See, even seeking food can be adventurous. After climbing up a good few flights of very inclined steps, we finally made it to this hidden gem of a restaurant called The Treehouse.
Hola!
So we made it to our first restaurant in Aguas Calientes. the tree house. We're gonna get un cafecito. Yeah, we're all hungry. We've been hopping. We've been plane hopping. We've been bus hopping, train hopping. It's been a day of hopping.
All in one day. I'm ready to disappear anything they put on the front of me.
After a long day of plane, car, and train rides, this was exactly what we needed. And I finally got to try Peru's famous drink, the pisco sour, but with a passion fruit flavor.
Salud.
Gracias.
I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart
This place was definitely worth the walk up those stairs. Because this food is delicious. Like, if you ever come to Aguas Calientes in Peru, come to this restaurant, the Tree House. So worth it because the food is so freaking delicious. Blew my socks off. I currently do not have socks because they were blown away. So good.
After dinner, we made our way back into the main area of town. One thing I loved is that the area is very well lit and you never really feel unsafe to walk around, even at night. Of course, we had to end the night with some tasty desserts.
So the Hernandez drama amplifies as we're in Aguas Calientes. No one should be hangry anymore, yet still there's drama. Next episode in Keeping It Real with the Hernandez.
Court right now.
Feels like I'm in some magical ancient land, which, I mean, I kinda am. To wake up to this, to fall asleep to the sounds of the river is just gorgeous. Beautiful experience here. Aguas Calientes is truly a one-of-a-kind destination. It's the gateway pueblo that gives you a warm greeting before leading you on your journey into Machu Picchu. There's still much more to experience here, including a hot springs bathhouse, a beautiful public soccer pitch, and a hike leading into a gorgeous waterfall. Unfortunately, we only stayed for one night, and after visiting Machu Picchu the following day, we hopped on our return train back, but not before being charmed by this lovely, peaceful town in the middle of these majestic mountains. This is truly an experience that will forever be unforgettable.
6 o'clock in the morning, we are getting ready for our expedition into Machu Picchu.